Maybe one of those a little bit.
Please help me make a decision here. Can you say yes to this?
That's fine.
All right, let's go pay.
All right.
Thank you. I needed that. Now Jonathan can get back to work.
I hate the color. I mean, I think it's gonna look terrible, but supposedly it's gonna look great.
Ready to go? On to the next house?
With the family out of the house for the entire day, Jonathan focuses on repairing the floor where the kitchen island stood.
We managed to save one of the tiles from the back.
Молодец, молодец, девочка. Умница, давай еще.